Way before my mommy knew it, God created me for her. Every pain He took her through it, so my mommy would be sure that in this home we were creating, there'd be no questions or debating, that my family was meant to be my mommy and me. And I know as I grow older, unfortunately the world gets colder, but my mommy is preparing me to be the change the world needs. It's mommy.
Hi you guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, Taylor's Mom. Say it, Mom.
My name is Ambry.
And my name is Taylor. My second name is Taylor Olivia Ivy.
So tell them what we're doing.
Tomorrow we're going to go glamping.
Are you sure we're going glamping?
Yeah! With all of our friends.
Yeah.
Who's also YouTubers, some of them.
Yeah, so okay. They're also YouTubers, so Taylor wants to link their YouTubes in our description. So yeah, we are going to go to a cenote. It's called Santa Barbara, and it's about an hour away. So we rented a van. We're gonna have a van take us and about 20 others, and we are super excited.
My mom is cray cray.
You're cray cray.
No, you're cray cray.
You're cray cray.
We're so sorry to fail this.
So we are going to visit a cenote, and then we're going to go glamping. However, if we would have we found out about the glamping after the fact, and we were all just like, oh, we have to go because we kind of just want to hang out at the camping site.
Guys, my birthday's coming up.
Yeah, Taylor's birthday is coming up.
I'm so excited!
How old are you going to be?
5.
Oh my goodness, I can't believe she's going to be 5.
Mom, stop. Stop being sad. You're happy. Make it happy.
I am happy. I'm so happy, but I'm just so...
Don't worry.
Okay. So we are going to show you guys what we're taking with us tomorrow to the cenotes and then to our glamping trip. So Taylor has been so excited to go glamping, and she has been talking about it. I told her yesterday, so since yesterday, that's all, actually maybe 2 days ago, and she's been talking about it nonstop. Right now it's 9:40 p.m. so we should be in the bed because we're going to meet the others at 9 a.m.
And we don't want to be awake all night.
Yeah, we don't need to be. Oh, this is the first I've heard of that. You don't want to be awake all night?
No.
Oh, so yeah, we know she's excited. She's so excited. And so we're going to oh, I love you. I'll leave the link in the description box of some of the things that we purchased off of Amazon. And if you guys like to purchase them, you can definitely go ahead and purchase them. I have an affiliate link, so I may be compensated for anything you buy. So we have all of these things. We're going to try and fit all of this stuff into
A backpack.
one bag.
Give me 2 bags.
Taylor wants to take her backpack, but she's not gonna carry it. So I like to just wear one. Okay. So we're gonna see. And tomorrow I'll probably film and let you guys know if Taylor decided to to carry her own backpack. Okay. So let me clean this up a little bit so I can explain to you guys what we're packing.
So need the ukulele for the campfire.
Oh, you wanna sing? You wanna play your ukulele at the campfire?
Yeah, because the video was playing music.
Oh, the video you saw. Okay, great. So, okay, guys. So we have everything a little more organized so you can kind of see. And I'll go and explain to you everything that we have. Okay, so I'm hoping to get everything in this backpack here. I just got this backpack before we came. It's from Amazon. And I'll link this in the description. It was on sale, and I already have a backpack, but I wanted another backpack. I don't know how I feel about it yet. Okay, so these are my favorite things in the world. my shake packs. These here. So I want all of this stuff to fit here. So I'm going to try and get everything of Taylor's to fit in here, and then everything of mine to fit in here, of mine to fit in here, and then our toiletries and small miscellaneous items, they should all be able to fit in here. All right, so let me just go ahead and we'll talk about what we have. So we have Taylor's pajamas. We're gonna take both. We're gonna take, this has like a short sleeve shirt because it's very like, it'll be 70 degrees, they said, at nighttime. So we'll take long pajama pants and then...
And my socks.
Yeah.
Just in case.
And we're going to take a gown as well. So these are her pajamas and socks.
Don't forget about those.
We have her... We have her underwear.
My underwear.
I have this here because if it gets a little chilly at night, I'm not sure. I doubt if she'll wear this, but it's like a long,
Also, I have a long dress.
like a long jumpsuit.
What's blue?
Taylor loves dresses, so this is for after we leave the cenote. It's just play clothes, something fun and stretchy. So that's one outfit, and then a dress.
I went to some...
in case she wants to wear a dress. And Taylor also has 3 swimsuits. She decided, actually is that 4? Yeah, 1, 2, 3 swimsuits. And she decided to pack her jacket, again, just in case it gets cold. I don't foresee it getting cold, but yeah. And we have this for the bus ride. We have an hour bus ride, a snack, in case she wants a snack. Okay, so these here are toilet seat covers for when Taylor uses the restroom. Toilet seat covers. I have wipes here.
Okay,
These are wipes. And her swim shoes. So these are swim shoes.
And my mom has some shoes.
Taylor, what is this here?
My doll for when I go to sleep.
Your doll? You sleep with dolls?
Yes.
Okay.
I sleep with my mom.
Your ukulele. Taylor wants the ukulele. Why do you want the ukulele?
Because we are going to sing songs at the campfire tonight.
Oh, tomorrow night.
I want to go.
And she has her doll with her pajamas. You have to find her pants, baby.
I don't have any pants.
You don't have her pants for this outfit? Okay, so Taylor has her water bottle. We have bug spray. We have Benadryl along with her EpiPens. Taylor is allergic to dairy, eggs, nuts, beef, and chicken, as many of you probably already know. I have some Tylenol. I don't really take this stuff, but if someone needs it, then we have that. Extra strength. Hand sanitizer. Oh, I was door dashing, so that's great. Some other Benadryl. These are the children's tablets, Benadryl. And I have my Black Girl sunscreen. And these are my makeup items. I probably won't even wear any makeup, but we'll see. Taylor's toothpaste. My toothpaste,
Mom.
her toothbrush.
That's the wrong way for this.
Deodorant. These are my glasses and my contacts case. So I'm wearing my glasses now, but I have the contact solution here. Some feminine hygiene things. Some more Tylenol for children.
And my glasses.
Taylor's glasses. These are for her iPad or digital things. Again, I mentioned I had COVID, so here's an inhaler. In November, I still can't breathe. These are our battery packs. This one is 22,000 mAhs or whatever, and then this is my Anker one. I love this charger so much. Anker. I'm gonna link this description below as well. I believe it's like 40,000. 40 or 45,000 mAhs or whatever. We have bubbles, so that's always fun. Bubbles. We have Taylor's swim toys, so she can play in the pool with those and dive to get them. We have some waterproof phone cases for when we're in the cenotes and such. And Taylor has her fleece blanket. These are amazing. These are microfiber towels, and these are excellent for drying off. We'll be in the pool. These are my water shoes. When we go camping, I'm probably gonna finish reading this. And here's what I'm packing. Pajamas. I mentioned the fleece blanket. Oh, this is also another backpack. This is just in case we buy something extra or whatever. It's a backpack that folds up. I got this at Walmart. I purchased this at Walmart for about $5. So I'm taking these clothes here. This is a swimsuit. This is like an undershirt. This is like a cover-up, pajamas, an outfit. This what I will probably change into. This is a dress after we leave the cenote. If I'm too wet, I'll probably put this on. And then this is just another outfit. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and pack this stuff up. So as you see, Taylor already put her things in hers, and I actually grabbed 2 more bags because we're going to 2 different places. There's plenty of room in here. As you guys see, Taylor brought a pillow as well, and I literally just stuffed the big pillow in here. So there was room for all of our stuff to probably go in here, but kind of like to keep them separate, and there's still plenty of space in here. But this is all like the cenote stuff, so we're gonna take 2 different trips in a sense. So I just kind of wanted this to just already be ready. I'm actually gonna go ahead and throw my dress that I'm probably gonna put on in here as well, and Taylor's change of clothes in here, so everything will just be compact. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this all in this backpack. This backpack is super neat. Oh, it's one of Taylor's beads, but it has lots of room and lots of pockets and a back pocket as well. So I think this is super cool.
I had a lot of.
All right, so we're all packed. We have everything that we need. We got everything in here. There's stuff here in the laptop compartment, main compartment, and then there's another compartment. And this is the backpack. I'll probably use this at the cenote, so I just stuck it here. Probably leave this on the bus. I don't know. But yeah, we're excited.